Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send the feedback in the AtlasNavi application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will see a setting symbol. Press on it. And now in this page you should look at the top of your right corner and you will see there an X and right next to it a question mark. Press on that. And here you should select the second option, which is feedback. And here all you need to do is just write in your email address and write your feedback in detail. And after that you should just press send down below and your feedback will be sent. Now if you want to just rate the application in Google Play, all you have to do is just press evaluate the application and you can just rate the app in Google Play. So yeah, pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.